Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the Uber app and signing in with the account tied to your trips. Once signed in, make sure GPS and internet are active so maps and trip data load reliably. Next, tap the top left menu, then choose your trips. This immediately surfaces recent rides and basic trip summaries. You do this now because it's the fastest way to access timestamps, routes, and fare snippets, and it sets you up to request receipts or you now inspect individual trips to gather the full details. Select a trip to reveal the map, driver name, pickup and drop-off times, and the fare breakdown. This shows how the total was calculated. Once done, tap Receipt to view itemized charges, tolls, tips, and the payment method. If you need older rides, use the search or date filters within your trips. Filtering by month or address narrows results quickly and prevents scrolling through hundreds of entries. You finish by exporting or saving the record and handling any problems. Use the export or send receipt options to email trip PDFs or download statements for a date range. This is useful for expense reports. If a fare looks wrong or you left something, tap Report an issue on that trip to start a dispute or lost item claim. If trips are missing, make sure you're on the correct account, verify payment emails, and contact Uber support directly if data still isn't visible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.